Welcome back, guys, to Steven's DIY Auto.
All right, guys. So we are here in this 2009 Nissan Altima. And we have 151,463 miles on the clock. So originally I wasn't going to bring you guys along for this. We already pretty much started it. So we had this customer that we've been doing work for on multiple vehicles. He had his son's car towed to us. It was misfiring. They changed the spark plugs, and it's been misfiring ever since. They had it towed to me. I'm assuming because when I got it, the battery was completely dead. So we're having that charged. We went ahead and popped in our battery just so we could go ahead and start this diagnosis. So originally, all the codes, everything was erased and it was reset. So what we've done so far was we popped the new battery in, got it started, and just kind of like let it run. And eventually it popped this code, P0304, pending misfire, cylinder 4 misfire. So as you guys might recall in one of my other videos that I did diagnosing a misfire, we went ahead and swapped the coils, and we're going to clear this code and see if the problem switched to the different cylinder. So I'll take you guys under there in just a minute and check it out. But for right now, we're going to go ahead and erase this code and see if they switched. And I'll show you guys under the hood what I did. But basically, it's what I did in the last video, and I'll link that video up here so you guys could check it out. But don't worry, we're going to go ahead and bring you along on this one as well. So stay right there. We'll be right back. All right, guys. So now we come over here. We cleared the code. Now we have a P0304 pending cylinder 3 misfire detected. So there you go, guys. That's an easy diagnosis. It's the coil. We have a bad coil. So let me take you under the hood and show you what we did. All right, guys. So you guys want to start with the easiest thing first, process of elimination. Now, like I've said before, this is not always going to work, but for the most part it does. So the customer states they changed the spark plugs, but what we did was we took the coil pack that was originally here and swapped it over here. The code moved from cylinder 4 to cylinder 3. So that tells us that our ignition coil is bad. So there you go, guys. We just swapped the coils. The problem switched. Now, if the problem would have stayed on cylinder 4, we would have went toward the spark plug, and then we would have swapped spark plugs and did the same thing. If the problem would have jumped, we would have had our spark plug would have been bad. If it wouldn't have jumped, then we got a much bigger issue, and we need to look more into that. But our problem moved once we moved the coil. So now we'll just recommend a new coil to the customer. So stay right there and we'll see what's gonna happen next. All right, guys, and we are back. We got our battery. It's fully charged and it's 100%. It's a good battery. And we cleaned up the terminals. Put some acid resistant goop on it. We put some acid preventative stuff on it, and the customer did go ahead and approve the repair, and he also approved of all 4 coils getting replaced. So we have the Duralast coil pack, and here we go. It's going to be part number C1696. So we're going to go ahead and install these brand new coils. Doesn't want to come out. So anyway, we have these nice new coils. We're going to go ahead and replace all 4. So we're just going to go ahead and zip those bolts off. They're going to be a 10 millimeter, and we're going to go ahead and disconnect the wiring harness. So let's get to it. So I'll go ahead and take one off so you guys can see. But you guys know how to do this. We've done this before. So just gonna take our connectors, take that off. Zip our fastener out and take our coil out. So we're gonna go ahead and replace these. We'll bring you guys right back. And as always, guys, you want to put some dielectric grease in, just a little bit. So we're gonna go ahead and put the fasteners in, connect the connectors, and put the engine cover on, and we're good to go. All right, guys, so we got all 4 in. Now we're gonna put the engine cover on and take it for a test drive. All right, so we took it on a test drive and it runs smooth. It actually runs pretty good. So no more jolting, no more hesitation. It's good to go. And drove it around for a while and still no more DTCs, no more misfires. So we are good to go. So I call that a fix, guys. Real easy, quick diagnosis. Just turned out to be a coil. We went ahead and changed all 4 ignition coils just as preventative maintenance, because eventually the other ones are going to fail. So, and you get a discount when you buy them in a bundle anyway. So there you go, guys. We're going to be ending it here at 151,466 miles on the clock. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you guys did, make sure to hit that like button. If you guys would like to be notified when I put out another video, make sure to ring that bell notification. And as always, guys, please subscribe to my channel for more informational videos and DIY projects. And as always, guys, until next time, have a good one.